What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can buy Toshi on Coinbase wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to open up your Coinbase wallet. Once you open up your Coinbase wallet, it will show you the home page, which will look something like that. Here, you just have to click on buy. Once you click on buy, as you can see, it is giving you two options. First option is add crypto with Coinbase on ramp, transfer from another wallet. Now, transferring from another wallet means if you have your Toshi on any other wallet, you will easily be able to transfer. If you click on that, you'll get your wallet address. However, if you want to buy it, you just have to click on the first link and it will open up a crypto exchange, which is Coinbase. Coinbase is a wallet and crypto exchange as well. And the crypto exchange, you will easily be able to make purchase of any of the cryptocurrency without any problem. You just have to search for Toshi, enter the payment method as your debit or credit card, pay for it, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your Coinbase wallet. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.